Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I kind of decided to do something a little bit more different. I'm just going to take you guys throughout the day with me, not the whole day, just maybe a half day, and just basically what I do as a mom and things that make me happy. So I usually like to start off with a cup of coffee. That's my go-to right there. And then I just go straight into cleaning. I can't function unless my room is cleaned. That's just going to start my whole day, and yeah, it just has to be done for my sanity at least. So I'm just pushing in all of the drawers because that is one of my biggest pet peeves. I hate when clothes are sticking out of drawers. It drives me insane. I usually don't dust every day, but I try to do it at least once or twice a week just because I do have a 2-year-old and I like to keep everything very sanitary. I love burning candles whenever I'm cleaning. It just makes everything 10 times better. Right now I am obsessed with Leaves by Bath & Body Works. I just can't wait for fall. That's the ultimate fall candle. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and check it out. It is amazing. You're gonna love it. So lately I've been really into cleaning hacks, and I just found that using a dryer sheet on fabric works wonders. It removes lint and it also helps your fabric stay fresh longer, especially those that you can't really wash, like this chair here. I also use it for my pillows and bedding and it works amazing. I like to use this method in between washes. So once all of the cleaning is done, I like to take Riley outside for some fresh air. I let her ride her bike and just have a little bit of fun.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
So once the day has calmed down a bit, I like to go ahead and make dinner. By this time, Riley's already taken her nap, so I try to go ahead and get a little bit of mommy time in. But that is going to be the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you guys would like to see a full in-depth video on what I do on a daily basis, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.